Beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will learn about keyword research and the search intent. So if we are on any search engine, probably google.com, you can see that we have a search bar and we can search anything. By default, if you click on the search, I'm in incognito mode and I'm not logged in to certain email ID, so my searches are not saved here in this browser. So but indeed, if you click here, you can see some searches are here. These are more the recommendation from Google itself. So now, for example, if we type here something, so for example, health tips, okay, then you will see that we will get these websites or the content pages. These two top pages are definitely sponsored. You can see sponsored here, so these are nothing, this is nothing to do with SEO. So without sponsored, if we go to the main searches, you can see this is the website which is on the top with this search, okay, health tips. So you have to learn some things about this. So for example, here you can see that 10 tips for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. This is an article from Indiana University. So for example, if we open this page, you will see that this page is recommended by Google on the top. So this is the most relevant page, or maybe not the relevant page, but the SEO for this is very high. So the keyword health tips is too much optimized for this specific page, okay. So on the second number, you can see another website and another content page, and it's not a necessity that you should be directed to the main page of the website. It can be any page. Here you can see that this is this URL is some sub page of the main website, health line website, okay. So we are redirected to that page, okay, because that page is actually fully optimized for that keyword, okay. The keyword is health tips, okay. So probably the here you will find out the nutrition tips word, or health and nutrition tips word, which is a main heading. If you will go to the title, you can see we have this title, nutrition and health tips, and also here in the page you will find out the relevant words here. So it is a properly arranged article which is very effective for the SEO purpose. And you can definitely know that this website on the top will get more views and traffic as compared to this website on the 10th number or any other number, okay. So this is the importance, that if your page is properly optimized, then your page will be on the search index, and you can actually optimize your page according to specific terms, okay. So for example, here you can see health tips, and we find this Indiana University on the top. But if we search here tips, 10 tips for good health, for example, you will see again the Indiana University is on the top, because it may have the 10 tips. Yeah, it has the article of 10 tips of health. And if for example we type simple health tips, again this page is on the top. So it means this page is very SEO friendly for these health tips word keyword, okay. So for example, health tips, for example, we change the word to 100 health tips, okay, let's make it 100. Now you can see that that page is not available, and one another page is here which is actually focused on 100 best health tips. And if we move further, you can see that that website is not on even the first page. Okay, although this would also have the health tips, but it will also have the 100 as well. So it will just bring the 100 health tips topics on the first page and in the initial searches. So here you can see that we can actually, these are the keywords, and we should find the right keywords for our website to rank it higher in the Google itself. So now the thing is, we will discuss about little bit about content, intent, that search intent is also very necessary. So the search intent is the reason behind searching something. For example, I will search here for example room cooler for best cooling. Okay, so this is a search term. Now you can see that it will show us the articles, 8 best air coolers for your home to beat the heat. Okay, and you can see we have the articles here, different articles usually on the top, which will lead us to the certain articles which will describe that what are the most best air coolers in Pakistan, because we are searching from Pakistan, so that's why the Pakistan is on the top. In your country will be on the top. So here you can see that we have the intent to know about that which cooler is best for cooling. Okay, contain the details that which cooler is best in Pakistan and which cooler we have to choose. But if we write here for example buy room cooler, okay, for best cooling, we have added the buy word to the main keyword. So now it will know our intent again, and it will direct us to the purchase page. Okay, so it will suggest us the page from where we can actually purchase this cooler. Okay, these coolers, you can see we have a lot of coolers over here on the Dras, and we can right away purchase these coolers. So it is the intent. Okay, so the search engine just determined that we are willing to purchase cooler, that's why he suggested us the that product page. Okay, or any other shopping cart page. You can see on the second we also have another shopping website, another shopping website, another shopping website, like this, because search engine determined our intent. Okay, so he knows that what we want actually. So here, if we, for example, if we change the same word, room cooler for best cooling, room cooler, okay, let's add it price for best cooling. Let's check it out, and you can see that for this word again, because we have the price, although we don't have the buy thing, but we have the price, so it will again determine us, it will suggest us the shopping website. Actually these are sponsored, and because we don't have the buy word, so it the search engines assume that we want to know about the prices for this room cooler, for different room coolers. So you can see that we will have the Pakistani store price in Pakistan. So here is, this website is on the top, and you can see that this is actually the purchase website, and but you can see the fluctuations and the magic of intent. So whenever you will search something, for example, we want to search Unity assets for free, okay, enter, and then you will some website which are providing the Unity assets for free, and the you can see that the on the top here, this is the first website, Unity assets for free, and then we have the other websites. So but if for example we just remove the for free, it will know our intent and it will change the search order, and you can see now the Unity is on the top because it has free assets and the paid assets as well. So that's it for the keyword research and the search intent, and in next video we'll move further. Goodbye.